Hello, America! This is Jake Boy with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you today about a great trailer, a Four Seasons trailer, a true Pacific Northwest trailer built in the Pacific Northwest for the Pacific Northwest, a 2021 Northwood Nash 24M. They're some of the most burly, kind of functional trailers you're ever going to find on the road. These are 24 foot plus and change floor plan, and so 28 feet long from hitch to bumper. They're about 6,000 pounds-ish dry, but they have about 2,794 pounds of cargo capacity, so literally over a ton of cargo capacity in this guy, and that's really speaking to the quality of the build and their off-roading chassis. So Northwood makes their own chassis. Their off-roading chassis a little bit cambered. You put some weight on them, they go more true instead of bend off true. So thick I-beam on this guy with some actual independent like leaf spring suspension on each one of the axles as well. So these are really built to take you wherever you want to go and not really limit to how you can use it, and also true Four Seasons construction as well. So you have 2-inch thick walls with batten insulation, as well as some great insulation in the floor and the ceiling. And all your dump station tanks and your dump valves are actually inside the chassis themselves. So nothing is hanging out to be exposed to the elements where anything can expand at all. And it's dedicated heating and insulation on your tanks, so direct force air on your tanks as well as insulation of those tanks as well. So true Four Seasons trailer and a lot of other great kind of features inside as well. So I'm going to walk you through a little bit of what's outside, you see outside as well. And we'll head inside to see what the floor plan looks like and kind of how it can situate and really cooperate with what you want to use your trailer for. Huge pass-through storage here, a battery cutoff switch right inside, super handy. So if you're going to be storing it for any period of time, just turn it to the off position. No energy in, no energy out. So you don't have to remove your leads from your battery to actually store it. So there's no passive draw off those batteries, and they're going to stay fresh for you for longer. You also have some gear for your little utility station. You have the utility rail right off the side. You have a couple bike rack little hooks, as well as a compartment for trash bag, as well as kind of utility tray and kind of countertop as well. There's a quick connect for your liquid propane, so whatever grill you can bring along, you can really just plug and play and use the propane off the tongue. Big, huge awning here as well. Takes up pretty much most of the length of the trailer. Make great use of the outdoor space as well as the indoor space. Indoor, outdoor speakers, a line of LEDs up top that's actually really bright, and make sure that you can actually get a really good line of sight through everything as well. 2 doors in this length, which is really nice. So you can enter into the bedroom or enter in near the bathroom back in the rear. A nice wide stance for your suspension. Some things that Northwood does, and Nash in particular does, that really no other manufacturer does. You also have a solar panel up on the roof that's going to be trickle charging your batteries to make sure they're fresh. And there's a 1-inch receiver hitch off the rear bumper as well. So if you want to plug and play a bike rack or any kind of other gear, you really have the ability to make use of it and kind of really play around with what this trailer can do, because it's really built for versatility. All right, let's head inside and see what this looks like. And when you enter in the rear door to this trailer, you're entering in really close to the bathroom. The bathroom is taking up the entire width of the trailer on the rear, so you get a lot of space in there to move around. A nice vanity and sink, and a true porcelain toilet as well. You have a corner or a side shower, so a lot of space in that shower with a self-squeegeeing screen on that as well. As you notice, it's really quiet inside too. That is a function of the 2-inch thick walls and the great insulation above, below, and all around you here. So you get a lot of quiet in this trailer, which is really nice. You have great construction for the cabinetry. Amazing cabinets here. It's all real wood, so that anytime you see a knot hole in there, it's not printed on. It comes right out of a tree. And right here, right outside, right kind of when you walk in that rear door, kind of facing your L-shaped countertop for your kitchen space. So nice L-shaped countertops. You can keep things on the countertop and keep them out of the way, and it's not going to interfere with your use of it either. So Instapot, blender, coffee pot, and just have it kind of back out of the way in the corner. And there's plugs all around to plug each one of those things into. Stainless steel for your sink, double basin sink, really nice there. Great drawers and cabinet space. Full complement for your your stove, your oven, and your range hood, and your microwave. You have a big fridge that's right next to it, kind of on the other side, and you have eight cubic foot fridge, so a lot of storage space there. And right kind of next to that is going to be your dinette. Dinette actually is going to be kind of opposing another alternate seating situation here, which is a great couch, super comfortable couch. It jackknives flat, turns into a bed, and that's on your slide out. So you get a lot of floor space in here too. Next to the bed, there's a lot of storage space, drawer space, hanging space that leads into your bedroom. Big walk-around queen bed, overhanging storage, as well as pocket kind of cubby storage above your head. There are drawers and hanging space on either side, as well as folding space on either side too. But you still have your entrance right there to your bedroom right there off the bedroom too. So these two entrances do some really great work. So when you have your slide out in, you still have full access to your entire kitchen, your entire fridge, your entire bathroom, and your bedroom as well. So if you just need to pull off the side of the road, make use of anything in the trailer, you can still do so and still do it comfortably too. So you don't have to kind of really rejigger things around to make particular use of it. A great barreled roof, they call it Cathedral Roofing here. So high on center, it makes the spaces feel really big. And every single one of the main room vents right here has a fantastic fan in it. Those things do a really great work for actually creating cross flow for ventilation, and really make sure that like you don't have to be running your AC at all times too. So really a lot of natural light, a lot of natural wood, a lot of kind of cross flow with the air to makes this trailer, this 4 seasons trailer, really functional to make sure you can use it however you want to use it. If you have any questions about this trailer, the 24M Nash, or any other trailer we have on lot or online, drop on by and say hello, or ask for Jake and drop me a line, 773-655-7190. See you soon.